topic is e-commerce advertising. And most of we all know as such about e-commerce advertising. What is e-commerce advertising? We have discussed this all in detail during the digital marketing in last semester. That is basically the e-commerce advertising. And different types of digital advertising methods we have discussed in detail in the whole semester, right? So here it is just only a chapter, and we can recap and let's refresh yourself with the topic. It's a topic or not even a chapter, it's a topic only, and for one day, for one session, and let's review it, the whole digital marketing we can say, in this 1 hour in today's lecture. Video ads, shoot, click, buy. We all know about video ads, video advertising, and with the advent of that mobile advertising, the smartphone, as the data rates decreases, and we all are equipped with the internet and as well as with the smartphone, the video advertising is playing an important role. Video advertising not only as playing an important role only in advertising, it is video recording is playing a role in customer service. Videos are now playing a role in education. Videos are playing a role is customer training customers on a particular equipment, on a particular device, because we watch videos for learning something. Suppose you want to just to service a keypad of your laptop, so you can find a video, right? Similarly, if something is not working in your car, so you can search a video. So companies are using videos for customer service, for using videos for device maintenance, using videos for lead nurturing, companies using videos for marketing, companies using videos for sales, using videos for lead nurturing, using videos for how to we know about how to questionnaires and all. Everything, everywhere now videos are available, because maybe 50% of the people like viewing video, learning using videos in comparison to the text, right? The video ads, similarly video ads, that advertising that is from the television era, and we all are interested. What advantages do video ads have over traditional banner ads? We all know, right? And where do sites such as YouTube fit in to a marketing strategy featuring video ads? Not only YouTube, but now the websites, you will find the video advertising on the side, on the corners of the different websites on the mobile phones, right? Not only the YouTube only. Only YouTube is not the platform for video advertising. Other platforms are also there. Facebook is also using video advertising and all. What are some of the challenges and risks of placing video ads on the web? Challenges and that we will discuss. And do you think internet users will ever develop blindness towards video ads as well? Right? These are the issues we will discuss. Learning objectives are identify the major forms of online marketing communications. Online marketing communications major forms, right? Understanding the cost and benefits of online marketing communications. These are our objectives of this chapter. Discussions the ways in which a website can be used as marketing communication tool, right? And marketing communications, two main purposes. Sales, definitely. Marketing communications, we have purpose. If you are planning a campaign for some of your client, so you definitely first thing is, as we have discussed, we must know the goal of the campaign. What is the objective of setting that campaign? The objectives may be sales, promotional sales communications, and branding communications. Online marketing communications takes many forms: online ads, email, public relations, websites. These all are online communications, right? And online advertising, paid messages on websites, online advertising, online service, or other interactive mediums such as interactive messages, right? $31 billion in 2011. Right, online advertising revenue all over the, and advantages are internet is where audience is moving as you are moving with your mobile phone, with a smartphone, and the ads also moves. Right. Ad targeting, ability to target ads to narrow segments and track performance in almost real time. Greater opportunity for interactivity, two-way communication. We all studies all those things. Instant reach of the internet advertising is there. You can plan a targeting instantly to all over the world or particular cities of a country. Right, two-way communication. You can respond to the internet advertisements using your comments, likes, shares, and all. Right, and other are it is always, it can move basically if it is on the smartphone or anywhere available. And targeting is, you can target particular segment of the customers, whether geographically, or you can target only women. You can target geographically a particular state or a particular city, or all over the world as per the requirement. Right, gender targeting or geographical targeting, and behavioral based targeting, financial based targeting, age wise targeting if the product is for a particular age group. Disadvantages: cost versus benefits. The cost, it is less costlier I think than conventional advertising. How to adequately measure results? Result measurement as possible using the Google Analytics and other analytics tools we can use for measuring the results. Supply of good when used to display advertising. Right, and as such I don't think any disadvantage is there of the online advertising. This is online advertising from 2003 to 2015, how fast it is growing. Right, online advertising, we all know it is growing. Right, online advertising. Forms of online advertising, different forms of online advertising, different forms of digital marketing, as you know. Display advertising, banners, ads, pop-ups. Rich media advertising, video advertising. Search engine advertising, search engine ads, we all know about search engine ads. Rich media ads is text plus images or videos maybe, and text and images we say basically rich media ads. Display ads are basically which are displayed on particular devices or on particular websites. Search engine advertising is when someone searches for a particular keyword, uses a search query for searching something, then the advertisements appears. So this is search engine advertising. Right, mobile and local advertising. The advertisements appears on mobile, customized for mobile phones or smartphones, basically for small devices. So we say it search engine advertising, mobile advertising. And local advertising is advertising locally in a particular city. If you are owning a restaurant, or your client owns a restaurant in Dehradun on Rajpur Road, so you will be definitely advertising in 3, 4, 5 kilometers of the area. If you are advertising for home delivery from a restaurant, if a restaurant advertises for home delivery services, then definitely it will be advertising for 3 to 5 kilometer maximum, because home deliveries from a restaurant are expected from 3 to 5 kilometers only. Right, so this is about local advertising. So we can target accordingly, as I said, geographically. We can target from a place, from a restaurant to a circle of 3 kilometers. Geographically we can target. Right, the referrals, affiliate relationship marketing. Referrals, we all know the referrals. In brick and mortar we say referrals, in online advertising we say it affiliate marketing. And email marketing. We create an email database, and we segment, makes list and all out of that email database, and these segments will be created, list will be created on the basis of a particular commonality on the users, and then we email them accordingly. And personalized email marketing is also there, with the name and positions of a person you are sending emails. Online catalogs, as you find online catalogs about the product details, pricings and all, different sizes. A catalog contains basically product pictures, product details, product size, product different size. If it is, we talk about apparels and all, and a lot of product features and all. This is we call product catalogs, right? Social network, social media marketing. We all know social network. Blogging is also used as a marketing purpose, and applications are all we also using. Game advertising, you all may be knowing, the most of you may be playing games on daily basis or sometimes on weekly, and advertisings are there on in between games also, right? So game based advertising, these are the forms of online advertising. These are the different forms of online advertising. The purpose is to create sales or branding, to get traffic on our website, on a particular website, using these mediums, using these ways, using these, right? So this is about forms of online advertising. The online advertising is spending for selected formats in billions. Selected formats, 2011 and 2015 spending. Search advertising, as we all know, it is quite targeted, very targeted. Search advertising, when we discussed in detail, if someone searching on Google something, so you will customize your search advertising for particular keywords, for fixed set of keywords, maybe, right, for fixed set of keywords advertising, and hence the 50% budget, right? Percentage changes 2015 and all. So, billions on the basis of highest, you can say, 14.38 billion in 2011 and 21 billion in 2015, right? And banner advertising, and this is from Pearson Publication Education, right? The data is reliable for 2015, and this data belongs to the US market, I think. A survey by eMarketer. eMarketer is an online survey. So 2011 and 15 search advertising goes to the first one, search advertising, as during the when we discussed in the class on digital marketing class about the search advertising, I said that it is highly targeted and every businesses should at least opt for search advertising. If someone is searching hotels in Mussoorie, so if you are in a hotel business and owns a hotel in Mussoorie, you must at least go for search advertising, Google search advertising, and you can limit your keywords if your budget is less. If you don't want to, if your budget is low, advertising budget is low, then how you can manage that? We can limit our keywords. Means our search ad will appear only for limited set of keywords, and that again we can go for exact match. We have discussed different types of keywords: exact match, broad match, right? And then so we can target again exact match. In case of exact match, exactly when someone searches exactly hotels in Mussoorie, only then your advertisements will appear. So this way you can control your advertising budget, or you can utilize efficiently your advertising budget, we can say, right? So search engine expenses, advertising budgets for online advertising spending on search engine is highest by all the corporations. Spending on search engines is highest. Then banner advertising, then classifieds, then video advertising. Now in today's scenario, 2019-20, if we'll talk about 2019 figures, this will be higher, but not will be higher than search generally still. Rich media, lead generation advertisings, right? Sponsorships, email advertising, and total, this was billion in 2015 and 2011, right? So these are the tentative figures. Banner ads, display ads. Display ads are different types of display advertising ads are there. Banner ads, as we see the banners on, if you talk about laptops, they are on the top of the laptop like this, or on the here also they appear, on the bottom they appear. These are the banner advertising. Rectangular box linking to advertiser's website. If you click on these banners, then you will reach us to advertiser's website. rectangular box linking to advertiser's website, interactive advertising bureau guidelines, right? Pop-ups advertising appear without user calling for them. Pop-up pops up, provoke negative consumer sentiment. If you are using pop-ups for your client anytime, so please make sure it doesn't invoke negative consumer sentiment. At least it should not appear immediately as the website opens. It should appear at least after 30 seconds or 1 minute of opening the website. Many places what we see the pop-ups is appearing at first the pop-up is there. So nowadays it's going to take interest. Provoke negative consumer sentiment. Twice as effective as normal banners ads since user unintentionally click on the ads while trying to close them. Right? Effective reaching somewhere is there, but whether the user purchase or not, that another thing. Right? Pop-ups. These are the display advertising, two types of, right? These are, as I said, banner advertising. Banner, this is lead board, half page ad, we say, white skyscraper, medium rectangle, and these are like this, button advertising in all. Different formats, types of display ads, right? And rich media advertising, use Flash, DHTML, dynamic HTML, Java, JavaScript. About 5% of all online advertising expenditures, rich media ads, tend to be more about branding, boost brand awareness by 10%, used basically for branding, it means STTLs and super STTLs. Video advertising, fastest growing form of online advertising, as I said, fastest growing form. IAB standards, linear video ads, non-linear video ad, in banner video ad and in text video ad, summarized in text table, ad placement, advertising networks and double click, right? Advertising exchange, double click is a advertising network. These are the descriptions of linear video ads, non-linear video ads and all for the digital marketing. Search engine advertising, we all know, one of the fastest growing, see next figure, and most effective form of online marketing communications. We are saying that from the first day of the digital marketing and today on this e-commerce also. 46% of online and ad spending in 2011. In 2011, 46% of online ad spending goes to 46%. Online ad spending goes to search engine advertising. Types, paid inclusion of rank, inclusion in search and results, paid inclusion of rank. As we know, search advertising, your website appears on first page and with mention of AD, ads. This is called search advertising. Sponsored link areas like keyword advertising based on the keywords. Merchants buy keywords through bidding for ranking and visibility of their ads on search result pages. We pay for the keywords, and we all know about the cost of every keyword is different, right? And it depends upon how frequently, mostly on the search volume, how many people are searching for a particular keywords, and income on that keyword. These things decides cost of a keywords, advertising cost for a keywords. Ads are ranked in terms of money paid by advertiser and sites popularity. Rank, quality score, remember we discussed. Ads appear on the basis of money paid and quality score. Sites popularity. Example, Google AdWords, Yahoo, Precision Match, Microsoft Ad Center. Network keyword advertising. Example, Google AdSense. Google AdSense, we know, partnering for advertising. Search engine marketing revenues. Search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is that search engine ads as increasing from 2.54 to 21 point in 2015. The importance of rank for customer viewing by type of search. Organic listings and paid listings. Organic and paid listings. Right? Search engine advertising, nearly ideal targeted marketing. Nearly ideal targeted marketing. As I said, hotels in Mussoorie, if someone enters a search query on Google, hotels in Mussoorie, only then your advertisement of your ad of your hotel's ad will appear. This is highly targeted. Social search, Google's +1, Facebook like and all issues. You can go through that. 91 million user access internet from smartphones, tablets. Now the data will be high. And messaging, mobile and local advertising. Mobile and local advertising. The data maybe 2012. Concepts are the same, but the data is from 2012 to not 91 million now. This will be by billions. So we are using mobile advertisements, video advertisements we are using for, as I discussed, in multiple purpose. Display ads, search videos are not only used for advertising purpose. Videos companies are using nowadays. Videos for, as I said, for the training, videos for the product introduction, videos for the product maintenance, videos for you are also used for the lead nurturing, right? Customer educating customers. It will be the part of lead nurturing and all. These we use the videos for sponsorship and referrals, right? Email marketing and spam explosion. Direct email marketing, low cost. Primary cost is purchasing addresses, 5 to 20 sites addresses depending on how targeted the list is. Much cheaper compared to traditional direct mails, right? Means in India what we do, we purchase email database or telephone database. If we talk about SMS marketing, then you purchase, the companies are there. If you search on the internet, you will find a lot of companies are selling contact numbers, and they also tell about how many of DND are there, right? Do not disturb numbers on the contact numbers, and you can buy and you can send SMS using the SMS marketing. The second thing is the email marketing, and you can similarly buy quite a cheaper rate. Emails are in India quite a cheaper. 1 lakh emails you can buy for 1,000 rupees or 500 rupees, and you can go for a MailChimp subscription and you can send a single email to everyone. But if these email addresses are not belongs to our segment, the segment we are focusing, email addresses they must belongs to the segment we are focusing, the segments we are focusing, right? The segment we are focusing. So then it will be benefit. And Google or Gmail also gives them the name spam. They appear, so mostly the email marketing emails appear on the spam folder. So if you want to work on email marketing seriously, it is the cheapest source, highest ROI is still, as I told, 4,000%, because cost is very low. If you are sending 1 lakh emails, out of 1 lakh, 5 customers buy your product, even then your return on investment will be in hundreds of percentage, because the cost of sending 1 lakh email addresses is very low. But the proper way of sending employing email marketing is go for subscription of emails from your targeted customer segments. From your targeted customer segment, you have go for subscription of your blogs, subscription of your whatever you are launching new or offering new such features. So this is basically the way. Spam, is unsolicited commercial email. As I said, approximately 70% of all email are spams. Efforts to control spam technology, filtering software only partially effective. Government regulation, right? Talking about US. Percentage of email that is spam. High percentage of emails. Online catalogs, equivalent of paper-based catalogs, was popular in early years but quickly went out because pages took so long to load. Graphics in again they are going popular catalogs. Graphics intense use increasing in broadband use. Right. Two types: full page spread. Example: landisland.com, great displays and all. This is about online catalogs and all. Right. This is one catalog. This is product pictures, right, and how you are using, then the description, all the pictures, and then you can go next. Now the internet speed is high and they are again popular in India too. Social advertising is use social graph to communicate brand images and promote sales, adopts many to many model. Social advertising, we know about Facebook, we know about Instagram advertising, Facebook advertising, and Twitter, LinkedIn. All platforms are marketing platforms, and we can advertise on any platform based on if our target segment is available there, whether it is Facebook, YouTube, or LinkedIn, right? Social network advertising, social network sites are advertising platforms. Corporate, Facebook pages, Twitter ads, right? Promoted tweets, advertisers pay to show their tweets in users search result as promoted, right? Similarly, in Facebook, we encounter a lot of sponsored on our timeline. In Facebook, if you talk about Facebook or Instagram, sponsored post by companies or companies basically. Blog advertising. Blogs difficult to monetize. Not now. Audience size. Few blogs attract large audience. Right? The game advertising. In game, the blog, we all know about that. We discussed in detail. Blogs we also use for advertising. If you are writing about Mussoorie, places to visit in Mussoorie, right? Places to visit in Mussoorie, or 10 must visit places in Mussoorie, 5 must visit places in Mussoorie. So you, within these text, within this text, you advertise about your sponsor or your own company, you can advertise for your own company also, right? Game advertising. In game, billboard display ads, example Honda CR-Z billboard ad in Cartown. Branded virtual goods, right? In between the games or on side of the game. Behavioral targeting, interest-based advertising, as I said. Interest-based advertising, behavioral targeting, if we say it. Behavioral, interest-based. Somebody is bodybuilding interested, then you can target bodybuilders. Right, using search queries and clicks on result to target consumers. Social marketing, using personal profiles, posts, likes and photos to target consumers. The personal information sold to third party advertisers who deliver ads based on profile. And ad exchanges, online real-time auction where data aggregators sell personal tracking info to advertisers. Enable advertisers to target ads and users as they, right? And mixing online and offline communications. Most successful marketing campaigns incorporate both online and offline tactics, right? Offline marketing, drive traffic to websites, increase awareness and build brand equity. Offline, consumer behavior increasingly multi-channel. As we know, before purchasing a new product, the consumer encounters or faces 7 times a particular product advertisement. Right? And online is also possible. Online advertising also necessary because 60% consumers research online before buying offline. The 6%, 60% is now 90%, you can see, right? Now everybody goes for researching online. Online marketing metrics, measuring audience size or market share, increase impressions, number of times an ad is served. Impressions, CTR, click through rate. Impressions we know, number of times an ad is served. How many times a particular ad appeared on, but suppose the impression is used for basically for the branding purpose and mostly, and number of times the ad appeared before number of peoples we can say. Then we say ad frequency, impressions frequency. How we measure? If a single user has seen the ad twice, the frequency, and all the users you targeted in Dehradun has seen your advertisement twice, the frequency will be 2. Getting the point? And click through rate, we all know CTR, percent time ad is clicked. Click through rate, 2 times clicked, 10 times viewed. So 2 upon 10 multiplied by 100, 20%. View through rate, how many times viewed, times an ad is not clicked immediately but website is visited within 30 days, right? Hits, number of HTTP requests, page views, number of page views, right? That we all aware with, I think. And online marketing metrics continued, conversion of visitors to customers, right? Acquisition rate, conversion rate, acquisition rate, filling some form, submitting data, mobile number. Conversion rate is right, browse to buy ratio, view to cart ratio, email metrics, social networking, user insights and interaction insights. Email metrics, open rate, how many, suppose you send 1 lakh emails, how many opened? Maybe opened only 20,000. Delivery rate, how many delivered? 90,000. You send 1 lakh but delivered only 90,000 because 10,000 email address were wrong or the email was full. Click through rate, how many email clicked inside, opened, then click inside. Bounce back rate, these are the email metrics, right? Similarly, we discuss all this. Online awareness, need, recognition, search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase, that is, it is on an online consumer purchase model, right? And how well does online advertising work? ROI measuring and all. So this is all about e-commerce advertising, right? E-commerce advertising, and we discussed in short. We reviewed, means we can say we revised, revision of digital marketing. We can say this is all about, this is for the day. Thank you very much.